Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
On Wednesday, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had laid the foundation stone at Mawhati for the upgradation and improvement of the approximately 40 kilometers road between Umsning and Jagiroad, which has been sanctioned at a total cost of rupees 83 crores and 38 lakhs under the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project and funded by the World Bank. Other dignitaries present during the occasion included the MLA of Mawhati, Dasakhiatbha Lamare, who is also the Transport Minister, the MLA of Jirang, Sosthenes Sohtun, the MLA of Umsning, Sawkmie Mawlong, the MLA of Jowai, Wailad Shylla, the Chairman of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Rakesh Sangma, the MDC of Umsning, Macdalyne Mawlong, the MDC of Jirang, Ranee, the Secretary of the Public Works Department, Government of Meghalaya, TG Nengnong, the Chief Engineer PWD BP Marak, besides officials from the district and PWD department.
All the drivers and police complain, so we'll have to pay again from pocket. This is Umsning Mawhati to Jagiroad area, which will be constructed, and the foundation will be laid today.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty. It is because of His blessings that we are here today. And it is His blessing that we have been able to bring this development and this very important road connectivity for the people of Mawhati and Umsning constituency. I was made aware about the fact that this road has been neglected for many, many years, and I knew this for a very long time. But what I did not know was that the last time this was repaired was during late P. Sangma's time. So being here today and laying the foundation stone for this very important road makes it even more special to know that we are able to continue the work that was started by our leader. And we are able to take things forward now to a logical conclusion. This road is of great importance not only for the people of the constituency, but it is a strategic road for the entire state of Meghalaya. Through this road, we get connectivity in a much shorter way to Jagiroad and then to Upper Assam. And the fact that it saves a large length or long length of distance and time makes this road a very, very strategic road economically. That in the coming years, Jagiroad is going to be a very, very important location. I'm talking of 5 years to 10 years time. And when that happens, and you will remember when I say this today, on why that place will be important, that this road will be even more critical for the connectivity between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. And hence, realizing all these facts, we have done our best to help and to support the people of this area so that this project is initiated after a very, very long time. I know that there is much more to be done, but at least we have made a start. And I assure you, and this is a commitment to you, that we will complete the entire stretch of this road very soon. But while we say that, I would like to thank our Honorable MLA, who is my colleague in the cabinet, for having taken the initiative and spearheaded this entire effort to make this road a success, to make this project come true. And without his effort and without his hard work, this would not have happened. It took us 4.5 years to get this road sanctioned and tendered out, and today the work has been allotted. And I expect that this work will start very, very soon. I heard one of the ladies was mentioning it should start immediately. I can assure you that it will start immediately, because the work has already been sanctioned, already been allotted to the contractor.